Hello everyone, my name is Joydeep and you are watching my homemade Jarvis AI for Everyone Season 1. There are 10 episodes. Episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is there, 5, like that. So, what this is all about? Will you believe if I say that you have a superpower within you, your own voice? Yes, so your voice, your very basic ability to produce meaningful words, that is actually a superpower using which you can generate any content, any documents, reports, presentations, statistics, journal, etc., etc., any type of code instantly just by speaking the topic. You can use your voice to interact with your operating system, perform various OS activities. You can work with Excel, PowerPoint, Word, database, web. Okay, don't believe? Okay, let me give you a quick presentation and then I'll come back to it. Start listening. I'm just speaking.
Listening in English.
Activate module number 1.
Document AI bot activated.
Create a document on solar flare.
Generating within 35 seconds or less. Saving an output directory.
Activate module number 3.
Presentation AI bot activated.
Create a PowerPoint presentation on top 5 most beautiful places to visit in Paris.
Generating within 35 seconds or less. Saving an output directory.
Activate module number 5.
Code AI bot activated.
Write a program in Python to implement radix sort algorithm.
Generating within 15 seconds or less. directory.
Show my desktop. Go to folder ID number 16. Go to folder ID number 7. Show only Excel file type. Open item ID number 2. Close display. Go to sheet number 1.
Sorry. I was expecting content generation related commands for ActiveBot.
Activate module number 8.
Excel bot activated.
Go to sheet number 1. Disable worksheet filters. Move column number 1 to position index 3. Filter column number 5 with a value medium. Set filter on column number 5 with a value medium. Close active window. Stop listening. What do you think? Is it capable to do only these things? Watch this. Start listening. Run commands analytics. Run command. Okay. It is creating pivot table, pivot chart, slicers.
Finished analytics on my own bot commands. Use bot name and category slicer to filter and view all respective actions.
Stop listening. So, I think I just showed you quick example, just few actions. Now here in Jarvis version 1, I wrote more than 1,000 functions, 1,000 actions. Functions are much more. I mean, you can see here like Excel bot having 202 actions. Selection, chart, condition formatting, filter, sort, data validation, pivot, slicers, all this. Okay. Then Excel bot, okay, PowerPoint bot, OS bot, image bot, etc., etc. Okay. I am not going to show in this introduction video because I have showed enough example in the real episodes. Okay. So this is just to show you how you can utilize your voice to do many stuff. Now coming back to the episodes, this is episode 1, any topic, anyone. generative AI is for everyone. You can generate any topic, not just this, any topic. Episode 2, one world, one language, and you will see that how two people in the whole world can speak to each other with the power of NLP. Then feel the power of your voice with LLM, ChatGPT. Here you will see how you can directly talk to ChatGPT. I'm not asking about typing to the browser. I'm saying talk to ChatGPT directly from your laptop and in your native language, any language. See this LLM role plays in this episode, and you will feel that the world data into your ears and how you can use or convert any Bluetooth headset to work like Alexa. Just watch this. Then in this special episode, episode 4, you will see how you can run ChatGPT inside your OS using your local data. You can speak to any of the local system data. You can ask any question. You can generate, consolidate, summarize, update, extract, do whatever you want. So this is a game changer. Watch this. Then Jarvis as voice controlled OS. I showed some actions only. So in this episode you will see episode number 5, you will see voice driven OS, Excel, PowerPoint, all this. 2.5 hour duration. I have merged 6 episodes into this one just to give you the feeling that how it gives a different kind of feeling. It's a new way of working. Okay, watch this, you will understand. Then vision AI. Okay, now here you will see how you can leverage your laptop screen. Okay, that's also a camera. It doesn't open or close like that, but see some magical stuff you can do with vision AI. So once you complete with these basic episodes, I would say basic, let me just maximize the screen a bit. So here you can read the summary, and you will see that what you can do with this individual powers, like power of LLM, NLP, automation, voice, vision. And from episode 7, the real fun starts. What happens when you combine all these powers and make a superpower? I'm not going to explain, just keep on watching and you will feel your goosebumps. Episode 9, you will see J2pilot. It's my co-pilot basically. And episode 10, that is the climax, that is the end goal. So watch this workflow with highest priority and you will see. So that's it guys in this introduction. See you in the first episode. Just one thing I would say, you have no idea what you are about to explore in these episodes. So please watch and share your feedback.